Today, I'll be showing you how to create business emails, also known as webmails, in cPanel. This cPanel feature allows you to create professional emails using your domain name. To create a business email, locate the email section in cPanel. Mind you, this section can be collapsed. If yours is collapsed, you can expand it by clicking this arrow here. Next, you want to locate email accounts and click on it. The email accounts interface is where you manage your email addresses. In my interface, you can see that I have multiple domains here, and I've been able to create emails for all the domains I've added in my cPanel account. To create a new email address, what you want to do is to click the create button right here. You'll be presented with this interface where you can create your email address. Since I have multiple domains, the first option here is to select my domain name. I can select the domain I want to create the email address for. For this tutorial, I want to create a business email for sundukafia.com. So I'm going to select that domain right here. Next, I need to enter the email username. This can be info. If I want to create an email such as info@sundukafia.com, this will be info. I'll go ahead and use info. The next step is to set my password. As you can see, I have two options: set password now, and if I select this, all what I have to do is to enter the password I want to use. I can also click this icon here to make the password visible. Since this is for a tutorial, I'm going to use something simple, but for you, I recommend entering a secure password. The second option allows you to send a login link to an alternate email address. This option is helpful if you're creating the email address for someone. If you're creating the email address for someone, maybe a manager or someone in your company, what you want to do is to enter their email address, maybe their Gmail address, and a link will be sent to them. Clicking that link will allow them to set the password for this email account. For this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and set the password now. You're also going to see this option that says stays on this page after I click create. This is helpful if you want to create multiple email addresses. Enabling this will ensure that you are still on this interface after this email account is created, allowing you to keep on creating additional email addresses. But since I just want to create one email address, I'm going to avoid ticking these and just click create. There we go. The email address info@sundukafia.com has been created and is now going to be in my list of emails. You can see it right here, info@sundukafia.com. All users with an email account can check and send emails by visiting your domain /webmail. In my case, sundukafia.com/webmail. They will be presented with a webmail login and they can access their email by logging in with their email address and password. Once you enter your email address and password, go ahead and click on login to login. On your first login, you'll be presented with this interface. You can see right here, it says open your inbox with round cube. What you can do is to click on open my inbox when I log in. What that will do will be that every time you log in, it will automatically take you to the email interface instead of presenting you with this particular interface. So once you have this selected, click on open and that will load your email account. There we go. You can see this has opened the email account for info@sundukafia.com. On every email account you create, cPanel is going to automatically send this email that contains the client configuration setting. This information can be used to access the email account on Outlook, Gmail, and other email apps. Something else to note is that anyone with access to cPanel can access all the email accounts without needing to know the account password. In the email accounts option in cPanel, you're going to see all the email addresses listed here. The info@sundukafia.com email that we created, we can check the email inbox by clicking check email right here. That will automatically log us into the email inbox without asking us for the login details. You can also manage the email addresses created by clicking manage right here. That will present you with a couple of options such as setting new password for the email address. This is helpful for when users forget their password and need help resetting it. You can help them set a new password and then share the password with them. You can also set the storage space for an email inbox, so you can allocate specific storage space for each email inbox. There are also a couple of other settings here that you can update. And lastly, you can also delete the email account right here. Now you know how to create email accounts and use webmails in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and like it, share it, and support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.